Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get an oxygen mask in CNA Simulator Roblox. First, you'll want to enter the hospital building within the game. Once inside, navigate to the supply room, which is typically situated close to the emergency department or patient intake area. Before proceeding, make sure you have enough in-game currency or points, as the mask usually costs a small amount, often around 50 to 100 points, to acquire from the dispenser. After finding the supply room, your next step is to locate the medical supply dispenser. These dispensers are generally easy to spot, often appearing as a small, wall-mounted unit or a box on a counter. As you approach it, an interactive prompt should appear on your screen, indicating that you can interact with the dispenser to purchase items. This is where you will find the oxygen mask among other essential medical supplies. Now that you've found the dispenser, interact with it to bring up the item menu. Scroll through the available medical supplies until you find the oxygen mask. It's usually clearly labeled. Once you've selected it, confirm your purchase. The game will deduct the required in-game currency, typically a modest sum, and the oxygen mask will then be added to your inventory, ready for use with your patients. With the oxygen mask now in your inventory, open your character's inventory menu. Select the oxygen mask to equip it, making it ready for immediate use. Then, approach any patient who requires oxygen. Interact with the patient while the mask is equipped, and your character will administer oxygen, helping to improve their condition. This simple process ensures your patients receive the care they need efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.